How to customize your main navigation in your Squarespace website. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to customize or modify your main navigation in your Squarespace website. It's gonna be very easy and simple steps. So first, you can go to squarespace.com and then log into your account. After that, you can go to account dashboard and then you can choose your website. I'm gonna choose this one, and then you will be in this dashboard. So you can go ahead to the website on the left screen, this one, and then go to pages. So main navigation is this one. So if you visit your website or customer visit your website, there will be see the navigation here. So there is the name of your website or the logo, and then the menus here, and this called main navigation. So we can actually add new page. Then just click plus icon here, and then there is a lot of templates based on the types. Let's say introduce, there is home, about, contact, team, and others. And also there is sell, and then showcase. You can choose whatever you want. So yeah, and then you can hold and drag like this, and it will automatically change in your website here. For example, I'm gonna make about in the first this one. And as you can see about in this one, and then maybe you want to delete something, you can just delete it. So yeah, basically you can change or drag everything here, and then you can also click settings here. You can change the name and also the description. You can also change the URL. Maybe you want to make it about us or something like that. It's up to you. And then you can also make it a QR code and enable page, and you can explore more. So I think that's it, how to customize or modify your main navigation. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.